Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how we can convert any YouTube video into a PowerPoint presentation. In fact, we can do a lot more, converting a PDF into a PowerPoint presentation and stuff like that. To do that, we will be using a new AI tool which is there in market, which is called as SlidesPilot. Look for SlidesPilot in Google and just click on the link which talks about that. Just click on SlidesPilot. That should bring you here. Here, this is SlidesPilot, and this is where you can see that you can convert a PDF to PPT, a Word document to PPT. You could have reports which you can convert to PPT, a outline to PPT, research papers. We are interested in converting a YouTube video to PPT. Also, something which you can do is convert a PPT back to a PDF. If you have a PowerPoint presentation, you want to do it, convert it to a Word, into a JPEG, PNG, text. These are the stuffs which you can do. I'm interested in seeing how I can convert my YouTube video to a PowerPoint presentation. Let's click on this thing. Well, you also need to sign into this thing. You can do it if you have a Google account, you can sign into that and then it will help you sign into this. I haven't signed it yet. Let's pick up a video for that. I'm just looking for a book called Atomic Habits, and there's a video which has 19 million views, and I want to see if I can convert that. Let me copy the link to that. Let me just click on share on this video, and then this should give me the link to this video. Copy this link and then come over to YouTube, convert YouTube to PPT, and just do a Control V, and let's just click on convert. Now it is asking us to sign in. So let me sign in using my Google account because I already have signed in to my Google on the other tab. I'm using Google to sign in. Continue. Perfect. So I have given the YouTube link which I want to convert. Just click on continue with AI. This is asking me to choose a theme which I want. Let us say I want to choose, let me keep it neutral. This is something which I want. You could choose from the bunch of themes which are there on this screen. You could pick anything. I have just picked that. Or we could do something much colorful. Let's say this. Okay, and let me say continue. And AI is generating your content. This typically takes about 1 minute. Please don't close your window is what it tells. So right now it is extracting data, pretty much picking the transcript and summarizing it and putting it into PowerPoint presentation. It is what it is doing. While it is doing that, let's also see what other factors or what other features does it provide. Like, you can use your Word document to do that as well, like this. So if you see how to become a 37 times better at anything using Atomic Habits summary, this is something which it has generated without us doing anything. Just in a matter of a minute, it has converted that. Now you can use this as a presentation and present to anyone, right? And conclusion, everything. Like, it just created index and a complete presentation which you can download. If you want, you can edit this thing with AI. You can share this with someone else. You want to generate a voiceover, you can do that as well. And also you can change the theme. For example, if the theme which you have used, if you don't like it, you can switch to something else. Let us say this. See, it's as simple as that. Very effective tool, a very short video to help you understand this tool. Use this in your day-to-day lives, and if you like this content, subscribe to my channel and share this with as many people as possible, and also comment about what is that you are interested in seeing next, and I'll be happy to bring out those tools or help you demonstrate those features for you. Thank you. I'll see you in the next lecture.